How to increase energy, stamina, and power in men. Office workers, sportspersons, and athletes require stamina to perform better without fatigue or exhaustion. Causes of low energy include poor nutrition, hectic daily schedules, dehydration, stress, lack of exercise, poor sleep, etc. You can use herbal supplements to increase male stamina and strength. Herbal pills to increase energy and power. Vital M40 capsules are the best herbal pills to boost stamina in males. These capsules are recommended to boost energy levels because it provides essential nutrients. To get these natural pills at home discreetly, watch this video until the end. These herbal pills are developed using proven herbal formula after several years of intense research to deliver quick results. Key ingredients in Vital M40 capsules are Aryl myristica fragrans, Asphaltum punjabianum, Zingiber officinale, saffron, Strychnos nux vomica, Caryophyllus aromaticus, White arsenicum sulfidum, Balsamodendron mucul, Asparagus racemosus, Withania somnifera, Asparagus ascendens, Cinnamomum cassia, Orchis mascula, Onosma bracteatum, Pongamia glabra, and Ferrum, etc. Potent herbs in this herbal stamina enhancer pill promote fat metabolism for daily energy needs. Vital M40 capsules provide the nutrients in bioavailable form for quick absorption and boost energy and stamina. It controls cholesterol and energizes your body. It ensures nutrient availability to all organs in your body by enhancing blood flow. It nourishes and maintains the upbeat health of the organs and naturally boosts energy levels and strength. It delays the aging process and safeguards your organs. It relieves you from stress, provides mental relaxation, and allows sound sleep. It also relieves you from depression and anxiety. It offers effective treatment for general debility and fatigue. It cleanses your internal systems and safeguards you from free radicals and toxins. It protects you from constipation and allergies by promoting digestion. It maintains a healthy immune system and improves the functioning of nerves, kidneys, and liver. It also boosts fertility to impregnate her and parent a child. Usage instruction. It is advised to consume 1 or 2 Vital M40 capsules daily 2 times with milk or water to boost energy levels naturally. It is recommended to use this herbal pill daily for 2 to 3 months for the best results. Where to buy Vital M40 capsules? High-quality herbal energy pills are available on reputed health websites for purchase using a credit or debit card. You can also benefit from discreet shipping to your doorstep. Foods you should consume. The best energy-boosting foods include edamame, eggs, guarana, banana, and quinoa. You can consume all these foods in your daily diet and exercise regularly to boost energy levels. Conclusion. Vital M40 capsules are the best herbal pills to increase energy, stamina, and power in men. Males worldwide are using these pills, and they have seen positive results. Now, it's your turn. World's finest stamina enhancer pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Vital M40 capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.